What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. This is a hair video, but we got some clip-ins. Yes, y'all, I got me some clip-ins from Amazon that will be listed in my storefront. If you want to check them out, you can check them out. But girl, when I tell you, I'm so in love. When I tell y'all these clip-ins was definitely a game changer to my hair. It just made my natural hair. It just looks so natural and real. Like, oh my gosh, I fell in love. But yeah, it looks like I'm gonna be doing clip-ins more, give the wigs a little break. But yeah, let's get right into this video. I'm starting out with my natural hair. This is what it's looking like. And we're gonna make these clip-ins look seamless without doing too much. We're not gonna leave only our perimeter of our hair out. We're not gonna use our whole head of hair simply because my hair personally don't do right with all of it being left out. So we just gonna take out the perimeter around the head. So I'm just gonna twist this up and get it out the way, and then I'm gonna do the back portion and get that part out the way as well. So yeah, I know y'all probably seen videos where you do braid downs, but we ain't even gonna do no braid down. I'm gonna take this rice water, y'all, because my scalp be itching so bad. So this really helps my scalp, like just staying moisturized and stuff like that. So y'all know I'm on my healthy hair journal as well as I wear my wig. So yeah, we're gonna put this in a ponytail, and I'm gonna throw a little braid in the back of it with the rubber band, and we just gonna secure it just like that. I got this neck cap that I got from my beauty supply store, and we're gonna apply this cap on just like that, y'all. Nothing more, nothing less. When I tell y'all this is so easy, it literally was less than 30 minutes for me to apply this. So yeah, with the net, the clips kind of have something to hold on to. So yeah, when I tell y'all this was like the by far the easiest hairstyle, and it was really quick. So yeah, I'm just going to snap it in. Like I said, once you have that net on, you want to make sure it's a net cap, because the clips need something to hold on to, like, and it just makes it, I think this way holds it really, really good compared to, parting it, letting it clip onto your natural hair. I feel like the clips, with the cap, the netted cap, it literally does the job. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to just apply the clips all the way until, I can't put no more in. I think I have like, not the full 2 boxes, but like 1.5. I didn't use both boxes. I think I had like 3 left maybe. But yeah, I'm taking my smaller flat irons, and I'm just going to press out the perimeter of my head just to give it, a little pressing out, because y'all know I'm natural. So I'm just going to do that, and pretty much that is it for applying the clip-ins. Like, once I apply those, the few at the top will be done. And when I tell y'all it is nice and secure, these clip-ins not going nowhere. Like, I've had it where I part it and then apply my clip-ins, and I have to literally constantly keep clipping them because they slide right off. But this way, y'all see when I'm brushing it, nothing is coming off, nothing. It's not loose. It's well secured to my hair. Like, I just absolutely love that about this method. So yeah, I'm just going to throw some loose curls in here just to make it look natural as possible. Yeah, I'm just using these thermal flat irons, and I'm going to pin curl the curls just to give it a little bit more hold. But yes, y'all, nothing major with these curls at all. Really light, soft curls, because I want to give it a natural effect. At the end of the day, we want this hairstyle to look like it's coming out of our scalp. So that's the goal. We ain't doing too long. We ain't doing too short. We doing just average. It's gonna be more like a roller set effect. So yeah. Let me know if y'all like these type of videos, and what do y'all think about this method of applying your clip-ins. If you're someone that wear clip-ins, have you ever tried this method before? If you haven't, let me know if you will. But yeah, I'm a pin curly, and then I sprayed some spritz, and then I took the pins out. And when I tell y'all, oh my gosh, I was so in love. I was so amazed. Like, I literally kept this in for about 2.5 weeks. Y'all see how pretty these curls turned out? And it's literally going to look like my natural hair. Like I can literally do whatever and go about my day. So yeah, make sure y'all check out my storefront on Amazon. I'll leave everything so you guys can get you some clip-ins. Get you some clip-ins. Get that wig a break sometimes. Y'all know I love my wigs, but I'm in love with these clip-ins. So yeah, bye.